Hello, my name is Grace Mbweta from the Open University of Tanzania, and in this lecture we're going to learn about SQL aggregate functions. These include average function, count function, maximum function, and minimum function. If you're following this activity concurrently, you should open your MySQL console. As you can see, we're going to use a table called products. It's a sample table that we are going to see how aggregate functions work in SQL. Let us first look at the structure of our table products. You DESC space products, put a semicolon at the end, press enter. There you have the structure of the table with a code, name, and price, and manufacturer, whereby code is the primary key of this table. And all these attributes or columns must have a value. Now let us learn about the first aggregate function called average. Let us calculate average price for each product from product table. You type select. Average is written as AVG. You open brackets. You put a column name that you want your database to calculate an average of. You close the brackets, and then from that particular table, where in this case it's our products table, you put semicolon at the end, you press enter. There we have average price, which is 154.12 shillings. Another way you can have a very good output with a label, you can do select AVG price, you close the bracket, as average price from products. You put semicolon at the end, you press enter. There we have. You can see the difference between the two outputs, whereby the first one, the system picked up the actual command that you put AVG within the bracket price, and for this one you have average price as a label of your output. And another way of using aggregate function, you can select or you can calculate an average. But what if you want to get products from a certain manufacturer in case of our table here products? Maybe you want to get an average price for all products that comes from a manufacturer with a code 2. You do a select AVG price let us put a label on it as average price from products where manufacturer equals to 2. Put semicolon at the end, and then you press enter. There we have our output table with the label with it, whereby average price for products from manufacturer number 2 is 150. Another aggregate function is count. Now let us compute the number of products in the product table. For a table, it's a small table where you have 10 products, but you might have a larger database with 1,000 of records. You do a select count. Remember, SQL is not case sensitive. Select count. You specify a column name that you want to count. Select count. In this case, we are counting code, product code, and we put a label on it as number of products from products table. Put a semicolon at the end, and then you press enter. There we have number of products. We have 10 products in our table. 20. You do a select count, you're counting all products from product table where price is greater or equal to 120. There we have. You close your statement. Now we have number of products whereby price is greater or equal to 120, which equals to 7. Now we're going to count number of products as well where price is less than 100 shillings. You do a select, count all from, let's put a label on it as number of products from products where price is less or equal to 100 shillings. Put semicolon, press enter. There we have number of products are 3. Now let us select the name and price of all products with the minimum price within our table. You do a select statement, select name as our label will be labeled as type, and then you type minimum with a specified column name of price, minimum price as, this is a label for minimum price of that particular product, minimum price from products table, put a semicolon, then you press enter. There we have a type, an output with type column and minimum price. We can use the same select statement, select name as type and minimum price as with a label minimum price from products, whereby we're going to group this output by manufacturer. As you can see, group by is also an operator that is used to query database and give a certain output depending on your requirements. There we have a column type and we have a minimum price, but the output is grouped by manufacturer. Now if we've managed to select minimum price, we can also select maximum price. You do select name and max. For a maximum you put a max word and then a price from products table, put semicolon, you press enter. There we have a name, we have hard drive as the product with maximum price. Let us learn we can use a summation to add up all prices within product table. If someone wants to buy all products from product table, we can do a summation of he or she is supposed to pay. Select sum price from products, put semicolon at the end, 50%. There we have. So if you want to buy all products available in this database, you have to pay 1,541. This is the end of our lecture on SQL aggregate functions, where we've learned how to use practically the average function, the maximum function, minimum function, and count aggregate functions. Thank you for watching.